Hello students! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to perform factorization in mathematical expressions. It doesn't matter if you're at a more basic or advanced level because what you learn here can be applied to the level that you're studying. Let's begin! Let us use this expression as an example. 9x squared minus 3xy minus 15px plus 5py. Note that each term is different, but they have common factors. This means that they can be factorized. First, we must group similar factors. Notice that the first two terms, 9x squared minus 3xy, have the highest common factor of 3x. The next two terms, negative 15px plus 5py, have the highest common factor of 5p. If the first two terms does not have a common factor, try rearranging the terms to find common factors in any two terms. Next, we bring out the highest common factors. For the first two terms, take out 3x and divide the terms by 3x. This gives us 3x minus y. For the next two terms, take out 5p and divide the terms by 5p, leaving us with negative 3x plus y. Once this is done, we look at the expression again to see if it can be factorized further. By doing so, we notice that the expression in the brackets, 3x minus y and negative 3x plus y, are only different because their signs are complete opposite. To make their signs the same, we factorize the expression by bringing out negative 1. And once you divide the terms by negative 1, you'll get 3x minus y. We can then combine the positive 5p with the negative 1 that we have brought out to make negative 5p. Now notice that we have created a common factor 3x minus y. It is then time to bring out this factor again and combine with what's left. We have the final answer, open bracket 3x minus y close bracket, open bracket 3x minus 5p close bracket. Always remember to check your answer by expanding the factorized expression and see if you get back the expression in the beginning. If you do, then you got a correct answer, congratulations! If not, look back at your workings to check for careless mistakes. If you have any questions, please feel free to list them down in the comment sections below, or look further by clicking into this channel. Remember students, for every problem, there is a solution.